Welcome to the Nightly Smash with your host, Clutch Hammer.
This is Hammer Time. This is Clutch Hammer, and thank you for watching the Nightly Smash. Tonight we'll be discussing the Ponzi scheme, Social Security, its history, its benefits, and its controversy. Joined in the field tonight, we're joined by our field reporter, John Burgundy. John, out to you.
How you doing, Clutch? Thanks for having me.
Anytime. So, as we all know, Social Security was established by FDR on August 14, 1935, in the midst of the Great Depression. It was designed to provide people who are retired, unemployed, or disabled with a monthly check. The money for these checks come directly out of your paycheck. That is designed by the new laws, which also established the retirement age at 67. Now, I believe you have some pedestrians you're going to interview about Social Security, John?
Oh yes, I do, Clutch. What is your name, sir?
Bo Jackson.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Mr. Bo. How do you feel about the rulings over the Stewart Machine Company versus Davis in 1937?
Oh, you mean the 1937 one, not 1938.
No, it's 1937.
1937, okay. I think Dale Earnhardt won the NASCAR championship that year.
He might have, yes, sir. But what about over the court case? Any feelings about that?
What's court?
Okay. Well, the court did uphold the new unemployment compensation program. If you did not know that.
No, I did not know.
All right. Well, if you could step to the side, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, another citizen who knows nothing about Social Security. Please, sir, come here. What is your name, sir?
I love America.
What? Excuse me?
I love America!
Well, I hope we all love America. USA. But do you have any concerns or feelings over the Helving versus Davis court case?
No.
None at all.
No, sure.
All right. Well, if we can get both these guys in here, sir, Mr. Bo, come in. All right. Well, sir, please. Camera's right there. All right. Well, as you can see, American citizens are struggling with knowing anything about Social Security. Back to you, Clutch.
Thank you, John. Next, we have Dave Camp, the chairman on the Committee on Ways and Means, the committee that heads up Social Security. Well, it appears Mr. Camp is playing a very important match of golf from inside one of his Lamborghinis, and he is unavailable for questioning. So all in all, in my opinion, Social Security is a giant waste of money, and it is stealing money from the pockets of the working American, and ultimately a cancer for the American society. John, what about your opinions on this?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Clutch, because honestly I have a lot. I believe it has a positive feeling.
Well, it would appear as if we are experiencing some technical difficulties, but thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time on Hammer Time.